Hello students, welcome to Maths Online Classes for Standard 8th. Today's topic is cube and cube root. So let's begin. If a number is written 3 times and multiplied, then the product is called the cube of the number. For example, 7 into 7 into 7 equals 7 cube or 7 raised to 3 equals answer is 343. Hence, 343 is the cube of 7. Let us find the cube of rational numbers. To find the cube of rational number, we took 5 examples. First example, find the cube of 17. Example 2, find the cube of negative 7. Example 3, find the cube of negative 2 by 3. Fourth example, find the cube of 1.2. And last one, find the cube of 0.02. Let us take first example, find the cube of 17. As definition of cube says, 17 we have to take how many times? Type it in the chat box. How many times you have to take 17? Yes, very good. 3 times. 17 into 17 into 17. For our convenience, we will multiply these first two numbers, 289. Correct. Now we have to multiply with this third. And now 289 multiply by 17. What is the answer? Correct. 4,913. 4,913. Very good. Now similarly we'll take this negative 7. Do the same process. Negative 7 into negative 7 into negative 7. Yes, first two numbers product is positive 49 or negative 49, because negative into negative answer becomes positive. Don't forget the rules of multiplication of integers or division of integers. We get here positive 49. But we have to multiply with negative 7. Now the question is positive into negative. Correct. Negative. So multiply this 49, multiply by 7 and tell me what answer comes. 7 9 is 63. We will take here 3, 6 carry over. 7 4 is 28. 28 plus 6, 34. Positive into negative, negative. Product is negative 343. That is the cube of negative 7. Third one, negative 2 upon 5. Put equal sign. Negative 2 upon 5 into negative 2 upon 5 into negative 2 upon 5. We will multiply these two. Positive, negative into negative. First I will write here positive sign. I will write direct answer here. 2 2s are 4. 5 5s are 25. Multiply with negative 2 upon 5. positive into negative, negative 4 to the 8 on 25 into 5, 25 5 are 125. Our product is negative 8 upon 125, which is cube of negative 2 upon 5, 1.2. Decimal number is there. Take this number 3 times, 1.2 into 1.2 into 1.2. Yes, correct. 1.44 is the multiplication of these two numbers. If there would not be decimal point, then the number will be 12. So 12 multiplied by 12, answer comes 144. By the rule of decimal numbers, after decimal point, here one digit is there, and after this decimal point there is one digit. Altogether there are two digits. So here 1 and 2. Before these two digits we have to give here decimal point. Now here 1.2 is there. Multiplication of 144 multiplied by 12, answer comes 1728. 1728. Many are typing correct answers. Again here we have to follow the rule. In this number, after decimal point there are two digits, 1 2, but here there is only one digit after decimal point. So here two digits plus one digit, total 3 digits we have to count from right to left, 1 2 3, and then we have to give here decimal point. Our product will be 1.728. that is the cube of 1.2. Write down this 0.02. Put equal sign. 0.02 into 0.02 into 0.02. Now for this multiplication, forget this decimal point, only concentrate on digit 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. And now you will see after this decimal point, 2 digits. After this decimal point, 2 digits. We need 4 digits. As there is only one digit, we have to create more digits. And we can create as a 0 only. 1, 2, 3. Because already we had this fourth one. Here you can give. Always there is 0 before decimal point if there is no any number. This is the product of these two numbers. We'll take this third number, 0.02. Again, concentrate on these digits. I will put it into the bracket. Here 4, here 2, 4 to the 8. After decimal point, here how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here how many digits? 1, 2. 4 digits plus 2 digits. Altogether we need 6 digits. But we have one digit. How many zeros we have to create? How many zeros we have to create to give the decimal point? Correct. 5 zeros we have to create. Not 6. 6 are the total digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 8 digit this we have. So here this decimal point and here 0. 0.000008. Okay. Now we have to discuss these 5 examples. At the beginning we have taken example number 6 and first example 17. If we see both the examples, we have taken these are positive integers or positive number. If given number is positive, then its cube also positive. That is the first rule. I'm not writing here, just write it down in your notebook. If given number is positive, its cube also positive. Cube of negative number is also a negative. Write down the second point. If given number is negative, its cube also negative number. As we have taken here negative number, this is also a negative number. See, here also answer has come negative, and here also answer has come negative. So these two examples for second rule. Can you see these both examples? In this example, after decimal point, how many digits are there? In 1.2, how many digits are there? Correct, there is only one digit. If after decimal point there is only one digit in the question, in the given question, then in the product, in the answer, there will be 3 digits after decimal point. Similarly, if in fifth question, after decimal point, how many digits are there? 2 digits, correct. And in answer, how many digits are there after decimal point? Correct, 6. If it is asked to find the cube of decimal numbers, there are 2 digits. So in answer, we have multiplied 3 times. 3 times of 2 is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This concept I wanted to explain you. If you understand this, now my question is you have to type answer, okay, in the chat box. Let me see. 0.002. Write the answer, type the answer in the chat box. Here I have taken 3 digits after this decimal point. So in answer we want all together 3 times of 3 is 9. Total number of digits should be 9, and 8 will be the last digit. So before that 8 there should be 8 zeros, then decimal point, and before decimal point there should be 0. So 0.8 times 0 and 8. Understand this concept? So 3 rules we have seen here for cube of rational numbers. When the number is positive, when the number is negative, and when the number having decimal point. Very simple example, I have taken 27. First I have done these factors. 9 multiplied by 3, 9 3s are 27. Again factors of 9 is 3 into 3. This 3 we have taken down. So 3 into 3 into 3. Always we have to form a group. Same number 3 times. As we got same number 3 times, 27 equals 3 cube. This way we have to write by the rule of indices. Here there is 1, there is 1, there is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. At the index place we have written here 3. Now we have to write this 27 in the form of cube root. If we have written in this form, it means this 3 will go, only this 3 will left, and that is the answer. We will take another example, 216. Now I am telling you one trick how to write the factors. Most of the time we start writing with 2 multiply by or 3 multiply by the number which is given, but for finding cube root, straight away take digit 8. I want 8 multiply by what equals 216. On your right side, divide this number by 8 and tell me the answer. 27, all are typing it is correct answer. What factors we have to write for 8? 3 numbers we need. Dash into dash into dash. Only for 8. Type your answer. 3 times, correct. 2 is correct answer. So here 2 into 2 into 2. And now similarly for 27. Correct. 3 is correct answer. 3 into 3 into 3. Now as I said, we have to group these numbers in 3 pairs. I will take here 2 and 3. 2 into 3 multiply by 2 into 3 multiply by 2 into 3. We got 3 same pairs of numbers. Now take here 216. Again 216 equals, here there is 1, there is 1 and there is 1. If for the bracket or for any number at the index place there is no number, we have to consider there is 1. We have to follow here laws of indices. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 2 into 3 raised to 3. Now take this in cube root form. 216 equals, as I said, when we take this cube root form, this we have to remove. Only will get 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. Therefore, cube root of 216 equals 6. Now we'll take some examples from practice set 3.3. Have you written this? Shall I change the page? Okay, we'll take this first example and we'll wind up. First example is 8000. We have to first find the factors. Which number I said we have to take first instead of 2 or 3? 8. So multiply 8 with what number? So we get here 8000. 8 multiplied by 1000. Again, factors of 8 are 2 into 2 into 2. Now in 1000 there are 3 zeros. It means factors of this 1000 in 3 numbers, and 3 same numbers will be 10 into 10 into 10. So form a group. 2 into 10 into 2 into 10 into 2 into 10. 2 into 10 raised to 3. 8000 under cube root equals 2 into 10. 10 into 2, and answer is 20. That's all for today's lecture. Thank you very much. God bless you all.